Tired of dull, cracked or uneven concrete floors? In New Zealand, concrete grinding and polishing can transform any slab, indoors or out, into a smooth, modern masterpiece. Concrete floor specialists use powerful machines and discs to level, restore and polish concrete. The result? A durable, dust-proof surface that's easy to clean and built to last. Choose from a range of finishes: exposed aggregate, honed, burnished or a mirror-like polish to match your style. Custom options like stains, saw cuts and inlays mean your floor is truly unique. Outdoor grinding improves driveways and patios with slip-resistant, weatherproof finishes. Perfect for Kiwi conditions. Professional grinding services deliver better results, fast turnaround and long-term value, far beyond what DIY can offer. Ready for a floor that's beautiful, tough and low maintenance? Contact Polished Concrete Floors specialists today and see the difference for yourself.